Good morning and welcome to Mike's locomotive shop. So today is the final stages of the Mamod modification. What I do is I will drill the holes to install the remote control in my little one. So follow me for more actions. First step will be to mask everything. So the idea is to put a servo here, put a hole in here with a rod going through, and then here we will have a bell crank which is then actuating the regulator. So let's see how it goes. So I've got the drawings here. Thing is that I don't have the measurements for the bell crank, but what I will do is I will modify one which came with a servo, so hopefully that will stand the heat for a while. Let's see how it goes. So I've just marked everything up. Something I've realized is not, when I go with that one, with the measurements, it's not parallel there to there, but it's pretty much, I mean, I don't think it will affect something. I think it just gives you enough clearance for the cylinders and stuff. I don't know, have to see how it goes really. Hopefully I'm not drilling holes and it looks like a Emmentaler when I start then with a different concept. We'll see. So the holes are drilled, servos in. Obviously there's a little bit of a gap. The question is, are the screws which are supplied long enough to fit that, or should I just glue it in with some double-sided servo tape, which possibly will do for the beginning. Yeah, so far happy with it. I had to do two holes actually, one 11.5 mil, the other 1.5 mil, and then literally file out the rest. It's a nice snug fit now, so happy with that. Let's continue to the front. So I've pre-drilled a hole with 1.5 mil. It was a little bit hard to do on this particular one because the drill is wandering off. That one is wandering off a little bit, the chuck is wandering off a little bit. It's best to be done on a milling machine in the most accurate way. Yeah, I got in the middle pretty much, but it was not easy. So next step is done. Bell crank is installed. Got enough play to the cylinders. It's moving freely. So now I can start with the linkages. So it's moving most of the time. Obviously not now. So next problem, linkage. It's kind of moving, but it's binding here and there. But the biggest problem is that looks like the bell crank needs to be longer to translate more movement, because that's pretty much maxed out, which means it's neutral. And then that's pretty much reverse. So reverse is in, but forward is basically not going wide enough, not going far enough. So yeah, need to find a different solution with that. Also it's very stiff. I'm working now since a little while on it. I think I have to go back to the drawing board, to be honest. I think this is not the optimal solution for it. I think having that on the regulator is actually the better option. Yeah, but now I've started with it. I'm not drilling 5 billion holes into this little locomotive, so have to sort this out somehow at the next time then. But mainly it's done now. I will pack in. I might get some more servo horns. That's now on 9mm each side, but I possibly need I have to experiment around. Probably 12mm or something like that, and then see how it goes. I had to slacken off a little bit that's trunnion bolt as well to free it up to make it easier to move, but not 100% happy, not happy with it at all. have to go back and adjust things. So yeah, it's not that straightforward as you might think. So stay tuned then for next episode when we hopefully sort everything out. Until then, enjoy the nice weather. Looks like we have a little bit of sunshine here in nice Surrey. Have a good week. Bye bye.